Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to do these two questions, part A and part B. If you want to see part C, I have done this one already. I have made a separate video on that, so you can go ahead and watch that. I'm going to do part A and part B. Let's look at the question. The question here is asking, print the unsigned integer 3500 left justified in a 10 digit field with 6 digit. Okay, now how to do that? First of all, okay, they are asking print the unsigned integer 3500 left justified in a 10 digit field with 6 digits. Okay, the program for this one is going to be just a simple code printf, and here we put percentage and minus for the left justified. Here they have mentioned this is left justified, so we put minus for that, and after that 10.6 for 6 digits, d percentage d, you know that this is for integer, right? Integer type of variable, and backslash n, and we are going to print 3500. Okay, now this one should work. Execute this one. Okay, 003500. This is what we are expecting. Okay, they want us to do print the unsigned integer 3500 left justified in a 10 digit field with 6 digits. So it's left justified in 10 digit field with 6 digit. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Next one is asking print 1.234 in a 9 digit field with 5 digits after the decimal point. Okay, let's continue that one here. So here for that one we are going to put printf percentage 9.5, and after decimal point mean this is a float type variable, we have to put f right here, and then backslash n, and the number was 1.234, and that's it for this one. Now let's go ahead and print this one. So the bottom one is for the second one. Okay, let's look at the question again. It asked us, okay, print 1.234 in a 9 digit field with 5 digits after the decimal point, 5 digits after the decimal point in 9 digit field. Okay, and that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're trying to learn C programming, there are a bunch of videos on my playlist. You can go ahead and watch them. And also, if you want to try these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link in the description, link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and try that. See you next time.